Salt selection. 5 tips for choosing the right salt for diabetes cooking. Number 1. Choose iodized salt for essential nutrient intake. Number 2. Explore specialty salts like sea salt or Himalayan salt. Number 3. Consider mineral content when selecting salt. Number 4. Use salt sparingly and focus on other flavor enhancers. Number 5. Be mindful of sodium content in different salt types. Now it's your turn. Tell us about your own tips and tricks for choosing the best salt for a healthy lifestyle. Share with us below.